Hi all, Dave here. I'm looking to start a series of short videos that I'm going to call um, my turning timeouts. Um, my thinking is that what I can do is just have short videos of random conversations, shout outs, tips, just things I want to mention to people. So not specific build videos. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for all the support. My subscribers are obviously going up, and I'm really pleased with that. If you haven't already, hit subscribe for me, and you can hit that notification icon. I'm going to try and get more videos out there. I've got plenty of videos filmed. I've got a lot of build videos um, filmed, like pen videos and stuff, but it's just, for me, it's just having time to edit. For this one, I want to say a few shout outs. So I've got some stickers. So if anybody needs a sticker swap, message me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. So I've got some stickers from Jeff, so from Jeffrey Smith. So there's my first stickers. This is my new sticker board, by the way. I've made this. I've got a build video where I've shown you how I've made this. So it's a little interesting build. But so yeah, Jeffrey Smith. Thanks for that, Jeff. I've also got some stickers from Andy Pugh. So I've got Tales from the Tinkerage. Great stickers. Love the logo on that one. I've got some lovely stickers from Pam Harris up at Highland Boxes. Love those stickers, and got a lovely little card as well. Got a nice little card with that, with a little message inside. Thanks for the support, Pam. I appreciate that. So my first sticker sets that I received were from Big Boys DIY. So cheers, Warren. Really appreciate that. And my old pal Will over at WH Creations. We've done a few collaborative videos together, and I've got one that I need to edit, and I'll put on my channel where we do some interesting stuff with wood. I'll say that much. And then Make It Soph. Thanks for that, Soph. I really appreciate that. And again, a lovely little card with a nice message on the back. I think it makes me feel a bit it makes me feel a bit ashamed of the little printed slip that I send out with mine. I feel like I should be making more effort to really create a card, but my handwriting's terrible, so I don't think people want to see that. So thanks for all the support. I'll put all the links below to everybody's sites, and yeah, keep an eye out, and thanks a lot. I'll see you at the next turning time out. Cheers, guys.